Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Uncover Jailbreak in iOS 11 to iOS 14.3. Here we have to keep in mind one thing, this method is not for iOS 15, iOS 15.1, iOS 15.2. Let me show you right now what we have. Go to Settings, General, About. Right now I'm running iOS 15.2 in my iPhone 6s, so maybe this method is not working in iOS 15.2. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch Safari browser and search for jb/apps.me. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website. Here you can find many jailbreak apps, plus app, tweaks, maybe you get games and many more. But right now I'm going to download and install Uncover. Before we go or tap on get button, we need to do one thing. All apps state signed need to be at proxy. So we need to be copy this proxy. Tap copy. Now minimize the Safari browser and launch settings. Tap on your Wi-Fi, I symbol in front of the Wi-Fi, scroll and tap configure proxy. Tap on automatic and in URL paste that proxy. Now tap save. Go back to Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi. Wait for a couple of minutes, seconds, as you like, and turn on back Wi-Fi. Now wait until it's connected to the router. Force close settings. Now Uncover version 7.0.2 jailbreak for iOS 11, iOS 14.3, all devices. Now tap get button. Now close the web browser and tap again get. Try again and again.